Trinity, a problem that Christians are trying to solve from past 2000 years. But haven't done it, not will they be able to solve it in future because it's a problem that can't be solved. When you ask Christians regarding Trinity you get stupid answers like, it's a mystery, you can't understand God, etc. But this guy chose physics to prove Trinity. That's literally hilarious. So let's address to his arguments and refute them. So his argument is based on quantum mechanics, which state the dual nature of matter. You all have probably learned it in your high school that matter exhibits both wave and particle nature. He stated this paragraph that says matter or reality can exist in multiple forms without being split. So is Trinity solved? No. The problem with this approach is that you can't treat God like matter or reality cause he is outside the known reality. To apply this law you need to believe that God is matter. That would lead to a new God, which are atoms. Or you believe atoms are gods. God is not equal to atoms and molecules. So using quantum mechanics as a criteria to solve Trinity just proves God is atoms. Which would result in total destruction of triune God, because now God will become his own creation. That means he isn't God anymore. And also the second problem with this is, if you're using science as a criteria to prove Trinity, why not apply the other laws of quantum mechanics and quantum physics? If you do so, that'll prove God doesn't exist because science can't measure God. If you only use the law of dual nature of matter, then your argument is hypocritical and inconsistent. As you see, this gives birth to another Christian dilemma. If you use quantum mechanics, then you need to treat God like matter, which would nullify his godliness, making him no longer God. And if you apply the whole science and quantum physics on him, that'll prove he doesn't exist. And if you don't use quantum mechanics at all, your core belief of triune God remains unsolved. So there you go, boys and girls. We just destroyed this new approach to prove Trinity before it even stood on its own feet. As you can see, to solve one problem he got stuck in 100 new ones. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Do share it with Christians to show them the truth that Islam is the only religion that defines God correctly and in the most simplest way. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, Assalamu alaikum.